Ladies and gentlemen, when you are shopping for the windows, you're asking yourself, how can I pick the best window in the world for your house? So let me ask you this. What do you think is the most important, or better to say, one of the most important parts in any vinyl window? And you probably think the frame, right? Well, the frame is important, don't get me wrong. Or the springs, they are important as well. But when you look at the window here and here, we have the glass, and the glass actually is 80%, and in some cases 85% is the whole window. So basically, when you get a good glass, high chances that you're gonna get a good window. So today we are gonna be talking what type of glass in your window you can get. Okay, my friends, the first of all, we're gonna start with what you might have right now in your house if you have still old windows. So in some cases, fewer and fewer, you may have a single pane glass. So basically that's a single pane glass, and if your house from 1950s, 60s or anything like that, so you may get something like that. Look at that. It's a single pane, wood frame in most cases, totally not energy efficient, you know. So basically it's like if you still have this type of the windows with a clear glass single pane, your energy companies, they should mail you a thank you Christmas card. Every Christmas you should get that card, you know, and some coupons maybe, because you are supporting the energy company of your state. So that's this glass here, and we're gonna test it. Like, you know, if stay till the end, you're gonna see how many percent of heat goes through this glass, you know. So with a special device. So the next thing, most houses, they do have the builder grade windows or cheap vinyl windows with a double pane clear glass. So there is no low E or argon gas, anything like that. It's just clear double pane glass. Same thing, not an energy efficient option. And right here, that's how that glass looks like. It's basically, you know, double pane glass, but lets in most of heat and cold into the house. So so that's this one. Again, you're gonna see what's the performance on that glass as well. Then, like cheaper vinyl windows, right now in our industry, you may get a single silver low E coating, which it does have low E, argon gas in it, but still it's less energy efficient, especially for eastern US, like New Jersey, eastern PA, and you know, our states around. It might be not such a good option, this glass, but you know, you may get baited by somebody who's going to say, yeah, our windows have low E, so, you know, we give you a super low cheap price. And if you are one of those that you love cash, you want to keep cash, you know, you don't want to spend on the windows, you may get something like that. But we'll see how it performs as well. Then we have double silver low E. That's a great glass. It's beautiful. It's an energy saver both in wintertime and in summertime. And lastly, we have a Rhino glass system, special Rhino glass system. It's a laminated glass with a membrane between the two glass panes. Extremely energy efficient, safe, and adds up to the house. You know, if you wanna live luxury and you have some change in your pocket, so that might be the best package right here, premium glass. But anyway, let's go ahead and look at each glass, how it performs. Okay, folks, so how are we gonna test the glass? Because, I mean, what else would I say? Or whoever comes to your house, they're gonna say our glass is the best, our windows is the best. How do you know, right? So, you know, let's not talk too much about it. Like, one guy's gonna say this and that. We're gonna use the heat lamp. And again, about this thing, look at that. It heats up like to 300 degrees after 20 minutes. You're not gonna wait for that long. Right away we can see the results. But when you look online on YouTube or anywhere else, some people say, oh, like heat lamp, it's like a dog and pony show, you know. Maybe for somebody. For me, honestly, it's a pure science. Right here we have a device that is gonna show us in percentages how much heat heat transfers through the glass. So in percentages, we're going to know how much heat goes into your house. So what kind of dog and pony show is that? I mean, science is science, you know, numbers never lie. So let's go ahead and start working on that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. So this is the little device that we can, you know, it shows in percentages and BTUs how much heat goes through the glass. We're not gonna use BTUs because what is BTUs? It's, I mean, it's tough to understand, you know, for even myself. I'm kind of like sometimes confused. So percentages, everybody understands, everybody knows that. So we'll use the percentages. So here we go. Let's fire up this lamp right here. Okay, so let's switch to the percentages. And right now, when you look at this device here, it shows us that 100% of heat goes through because there's nothing in front. When I place my hand, yeah, it gets pretty much hot, you know. After 20-30 minutes, we can cook a breakfast here, you know, like scrambled eggs or something on that heat lamp. But anyway, so let's test this single pane glass. So it's single pane. You can see, you know, it's basically in those old houses from 1950s. Once we place in front of heat lamp, you see it says 84% of heat goes through the glass. So it's crazy. It's amazing. You know, it's like having no glass in your house, you know. So that's how much energy loss happens in your house if you have that single pane clear glass. So let's go to that clear double pane glass. So which most houses with the builder grade windows, they do have this type of glass. And look at that. Someday, you know, you would think that it's you know, it's super nice, but it's a little bit better. It's better than the single pane, obviously, but still 67% of heat goes through the glass and into your house, heats up the house. Your heater is working non-stop, you know, and you get all kind of flu in winter time because cold air as well cools off the glass as well. So basically not a good option, you know, not a good option for your house. And so that's it. So anyway, let's go to the next one real quick. That one right here, it's a single. And by the way, if you are shopping for new windows and you live in New Jersey or Eastern PA, I'll put our website. Yes, a website somewhere at the bottom, so you can go fill out that form or call us. There is a phone number out there as well, and we'll schedule an appointment for you. We'll show different packages, and no problem, you know, whatever is, we can always fit in nicely into your budget any of these packages, you know, the best. But we're not going to offer you cheap stuff, you know, like clear glass or that single low. No, we don't have that. We only offer the best from the best. Anyway, okay, now back to the video. Silver low E. So it does have low E and argon gas, but only a single layer. You know, that's for those of you that you want to get like some kind of cheap windows, right? And you know, with low E and argon gas, and then you like asking yourself, well, it's not a substantial improvement like with a double pane clear glass, right? Because when you look at this one, we have 55% of heat still goes through the glass. You know, it's even though we have like a single silver low E, but it's only 12% better than the clear glass right here, you know. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money, you may get something like that. And if you don't do research as well, because if you do your research and you watch this video till the end, you're gonna make a pretty much good decision, wise decision, and you're not gonna be you're not gonna bite that bait, you know, from whoever comes to your house. So that's right here, double silver low E, beautiful glass. So it's a double layer coating baked into the glass. It doesn't fade. It's not going to be washed away by the water or anything like that. Argon gas inside. So that's what you need if you are in Eastern US, you know, like Eastern PA, New Jersey, Delaware, all these beautiful states right here. Look at that. 12% of heat only goes through the glass, and that's when you get this glass into your house, into your windows, into your vinyl windows. your energy company is gonna stop actually mailing those thank you Christmas cards, you know. So this way you can invest savings into vacation instead of giving it to PSEG. I mean PSNG, that's actually New Jersey, but whatever your energy company is, they're all the same, just different names in US. So right here, that's our rhino glass system, laminated glass. Look at that. That's the glass with the membrane between the two glass panes. Let's see if you can see it. Maybe I'll shut it off for a sec. Right here, see the membrane goes between the two glass panes. That's top of the line. That's actually our top of the line package. Nobody has it. I mean, few people, if anybody, around our area here in our glorious Trenton and Eastern PA has that type of glass. Look how thick it is. Quarter of an inch, about quarter of an inch with that membrane. Beautiful package, argon gas inside, so extremely energy efficient. Winter time, summertime, anytime, and impact resistant as well. You can slam it with a sledgehammer, and still the glass is gonna stay in the window frame. It's, you know, it's not gonna fall into small pieces. It's kind of same system like the car windshield we have. So beautiful glass. So let's see how that performs. Let me fire this thing up. Oop, we lost our little device, switched off. So let's go ahead and switch it back to percentages. Here you go, 100%. And let's test this bad boy right here. So here you go. 10% only. It goes that heat transfers to the glass. Look at that. So with that membrane, it's 10%, I mean 2% better than the double pane, but keep in mind that glass, it pretty much kind of the same performs in winter, I mean in summertime, right? But in winter time, it's going to be a better performer because of that membrane is sandwiched like between the two glass panes. So in winter time, this glass, that's the outside. This glass here, most of the time, is going to be freeze up only one section of the glass, and that's the interior glass. So it's going to stay in most cases the room temperature, and that's what you want, because when the air touches the glass, you know, we have that convective loop or whatever they say, that the air goes in circle. When your glass is cooled off, then guess what? The air touches it, cools off as well. Your heater working non-stop. You have to replace your heater every 5 to 6 years. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. You know, pretty much quick review of different glass systems. So this way you can make a nice, wise decision about purchasing the right windows for your house. You know, so and the glass is important. Don't get me wrong, the frame is important as well. It's not like, oh, the glass is everything. You know, you got the nice glass and you got a nice window. But guess what, like some companies, they don't offer that rhino glass systems that we have with that membrane right here, because their frame is so thin, they cannot fit it in, you know. The frame is gonna fall apart because it's a lot of weight, believe me. Even one piece weighs like half a pound or 1 pound probably, you know. So you cannot get, with the cheap windows, you cannot get this type of glass, you know, or triple pane glass or anything like that. So so there you go. You have to, when you shop for the windows, make sure that you see this heat lamp presentation. So this way you get like a double silver low E, right? So that's the best all season, the best performer glass in Northeast, in New Jersey, Eastern PA, and Delaware, you know, states around us. So without that heat lamp, what can you get? You may end up getting the single low E, you know, which is slightly more energy efficient than the clear glass. So would you like to have that, like spend like thousands of dollars and maybe save like a few $1,000s and get this cheap window with the cheap glass, builder grade that they offer, like windows with a low E, single low E, and not so energy efficient that you know, may end up with the wrong type of the window. Anyway, appreciate you watching. Put into the comments any questions or anything like that. And by the way, if you are shopping for new windows and you live in New Jersey or Eastern PA, I'll put our website. Yes, the website somewhere at the bottom, so you can go fill out that form or call us. There is a phone number out there as well, and we'll schedule an appointment for you. We'll show different packages and no problem, you know, whatever is, we can always fit in nicely into your budget any of these packages, you know, the best. But we're not going to offer you cheap stuff, you know, like clear glass or that single OE. No, we don't have that. We only offer the best from the best. Anyway, see you next time.